Just like that, we are on flight number 1, bro. Where y'all think we're headed first? Boom! Come on. Okay, action. We're in Miami now. Hot as hell, so lucky. I don't think y'all would believe me if I told y'all the story of who's coming to get us. One of my friends is coming to grab us, and we're gonna go to the beach. But I don't even know what the fuck's gonna happen. Y'all ready? Let's go for the ride. Bro, real hospitality in Florida, bro. Mira, we got the pizza. Hey, big. Oh my goodness. We already killed the whole thing almost. And some galletitas ahí. What? Hey, big, bro, who ate it? We're about to go on a mission tonight. Don't know where we're gonna go. We'll see what happens. What? The festivities have begun. And just like that, we're all tied with
Atlantic Ave.
Atlantic Ave. Was that everything you were expecting?
No.
It's low key. It's decent. It's decent. Is this alarm?
No mames.
Yeah. Hey, babe, what the? We're in Boca Raton, Atlantic Ave. If y'all come down here, look for these right here. Look for these right here, bro. We're outside with it. Hey, show them the vibe.
Wait.
Oh, how? Broken finger. Broken finger. No. Yeah. What do you mean? You got nails. What? Yeah, right. Don't have nails is crazy. It's right there. Look, you got it right there. Right there. Whoa, just right. It's low-key kind of crazy. No. Hey, right in front of the Camino, right by the banana grove.
I want to jump.
I want to jump. Hey, if y'all are here, make sure you see this one. Hey, watch out, clear the room. Wow, it's not like anybody just seen that. Everybody just seen that motherfucker. Hey, baby, whatever. The layover. Wait, they got the woman? Wow. Yeah. Hey, babe, I told you it was over before it started, bro. Wow. We're behind schedule. We're behind fucking schedule. Birthday to you.
A lot of titties.
What? The layover is continuing. Let's go to the beach. Beach time. So, outside Boca Raton. I did it back from earlier. Ew, bro. What the? See, this is exactly why I don't like Florida. Come on, we're gonna do another backflip. What is that? Una coco way. Motherfuckers are a little too hooked up for this one. Make sure you like the like button down below, comment down below. Let me know where you want us to travel to next in the whole world, bro. Wow! Man, did I get some in my eye? Bro, that shit low-key was foul.
Super. The best part is I damn near couldn't even see it.
I almost had it. I got 2 words. The layover.
The layover, bro. I'm telling you, this is gonna be one where we tell our kids. I swear to God, this is real yes theory.
How many likes to do the yes theory? The real yes theory.
Find it. 5.
What? Hey, big, that's damn near a stretch. No? Wow.
If y'all actually want to see it, though, comment it. Don't like it. That's, you know what I'm saying? There's positive comments. Real yes theory. That'd be crazy.
What?
I swear to God, though,
explain to them. Maybe they don't know what it is.
You have to go into a city. You don't know anyone. You can't message anyone you know. You have to find somewhere to stay. They gotta feed you. Then you gotta sleep at their house and then do something fun with them. But you've never met them before. I'm pretty confident in it. Picking the right people, we can get it done in like 5.
We just did it today in 2.
We weren't even here yet and did it. Mainly Louise. But the yes theory one, I'm
Wow.
saying like I'll get it done in like 20 minutes.
Comment down below which city you want to see us do it in.
This shit would be crazy.
No,
This would be so crazy. Or we gotta go separate, and then like whoever finds the better lead, or we both bring both groups together.
Bro,
That
nah.
would be so crazy.
Bro.
Like, damn near, we gotta think about that one while editing it.
Hey, babe, how many likes for real though? How many do you think?
100.
100 likes?
Yeah.
Bro, y'all can do 100 for sure.
How much?
100.
I'm trying to do it though. Like I'm like just show enough to like enough interest
100.
to do it.
We could do like, yeah. I guess like 100 is definitely y'all can do 100 for sure.
Easy. Saying like
If y'all don't do 100, damn. Do you know Yes Theory?
Yes, theory?
Yeah.
Yes, always?
Shorty thirsty as hell. Oh shit.
No,
That's
hell
for
yeah.
you!
Yes.
that
Can I have the cold one, actually?
What?
so.
Wait,
Just
explain the Yes Theory very quick.
Her?
Yes,
Yeah.
theory?
The challenge is basically like you go to a new city, you fly there, you gotta find a place to stay. You gotta find like obviously you find a group of people, you gotta find a place to stay, they gotta feed you, and then you gotta do something fun with them. A random person though, and you gotta walk up to them on the street.
They have to say yes to you sleeping in their house?
A random
Basically
person.
what you did to us. Kind of.
I'm nice.
Wow.
Just be open-minded. I mean, who cares what's gonna happen as long as they're not gonna kill you.
You have to know, like, you have to be able to read people, you know? Like, you can't let murderers into your house.
If you had to give a Yelp review, what would you give?
On both of you guys?
Yeah.
5 out of 5 stars would do again.
Oh shit.
Ew, sewer!
Wow. Wow. The layover. Yeah, back to the beach for real. All right, let's go.
To this bright as hell. Bro, wow. For all y'all that don't know, salt water is great to put in your hair, gives it a nice texture, so.
Oh shit, that is cold as fuck. Wow. Wow. What?
Salty as fuck.
No, wow. No.
I gotta take it, like, come on.
Hey, babe. What? Oh my goodness. Hey, babe, we've just fucking built a sandcastle. Oh, wow. This concludes our layover. Now sunny out and we're about to head over to the airport. Moving sideways right now.
Steve.
Let's do it. I don't know what the. No way. You gonna try to go in there? Bro, there's a crazy ass line right here. That was for TSA. We're gonna check, It's
When they ask, why do you not check a bag and how you gonna only travel for 3 weeks with a backpack? This is why. This is wild.
yeah.
This is the craziest one I've ever seen though. This is an anomaly.
Bro, I feel like we're in a zoo. About to knock somebody out with a tripod. Oh. Wait, what the fuck did we kill now?